display. Climbing in the vertical till it looks like he's almost hovering before pulling over the top and accelerating back towards the ground. And he joined the RAF in 1991, initially as a navigator flying the Tornado GR1, before later retraining as a pilot. He has since flown the Tornado, Harrier and Domini before moving to 16 Squadron and flying the mighty Tutor. He's not new to display flying and was the Tutor display pilot in 2014 with another previous stint in 2007 and 2008. This loop that he's doing now is one of the first aerobatic manoeuvres that new pilots will learn in the RAF. Up next is a reverse half cubinate, and he pitches to 6 degrees, nose up, rolls inverted, waits for the speed to drop below 80 knots and then pulls through for the second half of a loop. When he's not displaying, Andy is a qualified flying instructor with number 16 Squadron at RAF Wittering, who along with 703 Naval Air Squadron, 674 Army Air Corps Squadron and 57 Squadron at RAF Cramwell are responsible for teaching and inspiring the next generation of. And as well as training UK pilots, EFT is also responsible for training many of our international partners, aspiring pilots, thanks to the RAF's world-class reputation. And starting this year, the Tutor will also be used to provide the first step in training remotely piloted aircraft system operators with a new specially designed course. Flying straight and level while rolling through 360 degrees. Andy is now repositioning for the first of 2 low passes at just... So if you like what you've seen here today, give us a like on Facebook or